A kind of, what would you say, maybe very intimidating exercise in going from employed to employability. I actually used this myself when I was young because there was this student job that I applied for at the Copenhagen Institute for Future Studies, and I didn't get it. And then I thought, hey, who are they to decide where I can work? So I just pretended to work there, and I did that for several months. And my idea was that if I make myself inexpendable, if I make myself of such a great value to this company, maybe somebody would come and say, hey, maybe we should hire you and give you some money. And so they did, and the rest is history. So it's kind of like, you have to take life within your own hands. You have to believe in yourself. So what I want you to do is to dream up the job, the career, the life that you really, really want. And then I want you to seek out that organization or those people that you want to work together with. It could be at a reception, or it could be at a seminar. It could be in a private seance, and then say, you know what, I admire you so much. And I want to become the person that can deliver value to your organization. Would you please tell me what it is that you need from me? And then I'll do everything to acquire those skills. If a person came to me like that and told me, hey, you know what, I want to be a futurist. I know that your vision, Anne, is that you want to win the Nobel Peace Prize before you win, and that is mine as well. And I want to do whatever you tell me in order to be the most perfect futurist that you have ever seen. And I want to work free for you for the next 3 months just to prove myself. You know what? I would say yes in an instant. And I think that every CEO I know would say, hey, kudos to you. That's really amazing that you believe so much in yourself. I'm willing to give you that chance. But of course, it requires courage and faith in the universe. But we all know that if you are persistent and if you have a dream that you believe in, the likeliness that it will present itself to you is that much greater.